Can one teacher change a student's life forever? Watch this heart-touching English conversation and discover why a great teacher is a gift that lasts a lifetime.
My favorite teacher. Hi, Daniel. Today, our teacher asked us to write an essay about our favorite teacher, and I think it is a wonderful topic.
Hello, Emma. I agree, because a great teacher can change our lives by giving us knowledge, confidence, and hope for the future.
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Brown because she always teaches with patience, kindness, and a beautiful smile that makes every student feel comfortable.
That sounds wonderful. And my favorite teacher is Mr. Wilson because he always encourages us to believe in ourselves, even when we make mistakes.
Mrs. Brown teaches English, and she explains every lesson clearly so that even difficult grammar becomes easy to understand.
Mr. Wilson teaches science, and he always uses interesting experiments to help us learn by seeing and doing instead of only reading books.
I admire my teacher because she never gets angry when students ask many questions during class.
My teacher also says that asking questions is a sign of learning, not a sign of weakness.
She always reminds us that every small effort we make today will help us build a brighter future tomorrow.
My teacher often tells us that success comes from hard work, discipline, and a positive attitude.
Whenever I feel nervous before speaking English, Mrs. Brown encourages me to speak confidently without worrying about making mistakes.
Mr. Wilson gives us confidence by praising our effort instead of only focusing on our grades.
I think that is why so many students respect and love our teachers very much.
Yes, a caring teacher wins students' hearts through kindness rather than fear.
My teacher also shares inspiring stories about successful people who never gave up on their dreams.
Those stories always remind us that failure is only a step towards success if we keep trying.
Mrs. Brown makes every lesson enjoyable by using games, group activities, and interesting discussions.
Mr. Wilson often connects science lessons with real life, so learning becomes exciting and meaningful.
I always look forward to attending her classes because I know I will learn something new every day.
I feel exactly the same whenever I enter my teacher's classroom.
She respects every student equally and never compares one student with another.
That teaches us the important value of fairness and respect.
She believes that every child has special talents waiting to be discovered.
My teacher says that everyone learns at a different speed, and that is completely normal.
Because of her encouragement, I have become more confident in speaking and writing English.
Because of my teacher's guidance, I have become more interested in science and technology.
She always checks our homework carefully and explains every mistake with patience.
My teacher gives useful advice that helps us improve instead of feeling discouraged.
During difficult times, she always tells us to stay calm, work hard, and never lose hope.
Those words give me strength whenever I face challenges.
I think a good teacher is like a candle. because she gives light to others while working hard every day.
That is a beautiful comparison because teachers truly brighten the future of their students.
I will always remember her kindness, wisdom, and encouragement, even after I leave school.
I believe the lessons we learn from great teachers stay with us for the rest of our lives.
She not only teaches English, but also teaches honesty, responsibility, and good manners.
My teacher teaches us that being a good person is just as important as getting good grades.
Whenever someone feels sad, Mrs. Brown always listens carefully and offers kind words.
That shows she truly cares about every student, not only about academic success.
I feel lucky to have such a wonderful teacher who believes in me.
I also feel grateful because my teacher inspires me to become a better student every day.
One day, I hope I can make my teacher proud by achieving my dreams.
I want to thank my teacher by studying hard and becoming a responsible person.
Teachers spend countless hours preparing lessons so that students can have a better education.
We should always respect their hard work and appreciate everything they do for us.
Without dedicated teachers, it would be much harder for students to discover their abilities.
Teachers are important because they guide us with knowledge, patience, and love.
My favorite teacher has taught me that confidence grows when we never stop learning.
My favorite teacher has taught me that every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger.
I believe every student has a special teacher who leaves a lasting memory in their heart.
I completely agree because great teachers inspire students long after they leave the classroom.
I will always be thankful to my favorite teacher for helping me become a better learner and a better person.
I feel the same, and I hope every student can meet a teacher who changes their life for the better.
Thank you for sharing your wonderful thoughts about your favorite teacher with me today.
Thank you too, Emma, because this conversation reminded me how important teachers are in shaping our future.
Let us always respect our teachers and show our gratitude through kindness, hard work, and good behavior.
That is a wonderful promise, and I believe every teacher deserves our appreciation and respect.
Our favorite teachers may teach different subjects, but they all teach us how to become better human beings.
I will always remember my favorite teacher with gratitude because the lessons from a caring teacher last a lifetime.
This conversation has made me appreciate my teacher even more than before.
Me too, Emma. And the moral of our conversation is that a great teacher does not only teach lessons from books, but also inspire students to become kind, confident, and successful people.